Okay, so welcome to this episode of me disappearing off to Outward Bound. Because what else would I do? So this is it. This is me. It's awesome, and I guess I'm hopefully Anakawa ready. Anakiwa. I don't know what it's called. Anyway, well, I do know what it's called, but how do you pronounce it? So yes, I'm off to Outward Bound, and I'm at the ferry terminal here in Wellington, as you can see. And yeah, so it's time for me to board the ferry, so I guess it's time for me to say goodbye. So today's ferry is the Kaitiaki, which is that way on gangway 3, which is basically the gangway that doesn't have the little rail thingy, because unfortunately there's only one ferry with rail capacity. So that's me off into the biggest ferry of the Interislander fleet, and the one that possibly doesn't have the best of looks, but it'll get me there all fine. Yes, this is it. Goodbye.
Yeah, I'll still keep filming.
Yes, you'll still keep filming. Very good. I need to get my thing pass out, don't I? Yes. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, have a great
So
ferry trip, and I'll see you in 3 weeks' time.
Indeed. Till then.
Bye. And off he goes. Bye. So here is a view of the ferry that he'll be going on, and it's currently being loaded with cars and trucks and everything else to go down to the South Island. He should have a wonderful time. Jealous. Okay, I might wait around to see the ferry go, then again I might not, we'll see. And another view of the ferry. And I think I won't wait around because there is a bit of time to kill, and I've got to walk back into Wellington, as there is no public transport here. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed this quick little video, and until next time, eat plants, keep carved, and we'll see you next time on Gardener Gone Wild.